and take it away. And they saw it headed in the skates. And now Malkin's tripped again and he's hurt.
It's a bad knee. That's a bad knee, and now everybody's all over. Everybody. Malkin's down and he's in pain.
Oh boy. Unbelievable.
This can't happen. And there's the left knee of Jenner as the shins of the knees collide. Wide stance. Malkin was just ready to make a move and try to avoid this leg. Jenner doesn't play the puck, nor does he try to get a shoulder check. This is one of those, I'm going to leave my leg here. I'm not going to make a big motion either way, but I'm going to leave my leg out here because it's right in your path, Malkin. He could have chose to hit him with his left shoulder. He didn't. He chose to leave the leg out there and make contact with Malkin's left knee. Could have easily been a 5-minute penalty. It's right now a 2-minute penalty to Jenner.